Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a week in the life outfits, if you will, for 5 days. Let's do it. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to get dressed every day or just show you what I'm wearing. We'll see throughout the process. I used to do these a very long time ago when I was in college, when I lived in Japan. I would do my outfits of the week. They're a little bit more boring now, and I'll kind of tell you what I'm doing and why I'm wearing this and so on and so forth. So this is the look for today. I have a ton of weeding in the garden to do. We've been out of town for the past week, so I have a lot of putting up suitcases, just things around the house, and I have my son with me for the week because he's not in school yet and summer camps are finished for the year, so for the summer. So this is what I'm wearing. French braid in my hair, keep it out. Little jewels, so I have my little Shein watch. These are Amazon little bangles. Quince earrings. My new favorite white tee, which is this one from Old Navy. This is their vintage tee. I'm wearing a medium tall so that it's a little more fuller length. I have these little CRZ running shorts. These are in a small. I have little short tan socks on, and then I never wear my New Balance. I'm not gonna lie, one of the soles is short in this one, so it I can feel it with my toe, which kind of drives me nuts, but I figured they would be a nice gardening shoe. Not sure what else we're gonna get up to today. Probably just clean up around the house and have a lazy day. It's my first day of my cycle, so I'm feeling sluggish, if you know what I mean. So we'll wear though my little sun hat today from Ben Under. My favorite little, it's very bent up, but we'll get it tip-top shape. This is the best for gardening, so I need to figure all that out. Unfortunately, all my hydrangeas died, so I need to trim those down, and yeah, that's gonna be the look for today. I swear it'll get better, hopefully. We'll see, I don't know. But today we're not doing anything, because that is the reality of my day. Just kind of resetting after our big trip, and I have lots of messes. I've got some computer work to do, all the things. So that was Monday's look. I'll see y'all tomorrow with Tuesday's look. Bye. A little less like a gorilla. Look gently. Don't just slam all the doors, bro. Hello. Happy Tuesday. This is what I am wearing today. So my Gap chinos that I live in, they're basically my favorite little pants ever. And yes, it's gonna be 100 degrees, but here's the deal. We have errands to run. I need to go get my car inspected because my registration is up at the end of the month. I told Arlo we would go to Chick-fil-A so he could run around and I can edit a video. I have to film. And then we need to go join a new gym today because my old gym canceled their kids club. So that is the agenda for today. I have chuck roast in the crock pot, making this orange lime taco situation. So I probably have to pick up a couple of ingredients for dinner tonight. But yeah, this is what we're wearing. So chinos. I have my little, what baby? Look in the top drawers very carefully. Anyway, my Mary Jane Sambas, I haven't worn these a ton, so I thought I'd bust them out. I have a little cami on. This one's from Glisson. I love this tank. It's really good. It's a little bit longer, which is nice, with a lower rise pant. And then I do have a little long sleeve thrown over because I'm afraid it might be cold in either the car inspection place or in Chick-fil-A. So yeah, that is the fit. Pretty basic, pretty simple. I have to film a video. I just did hot rollers in my hair, so my hair is a little crazy right now, but it'll die down. So happy Tuesday. We're surviving. Yesterday went really well, but yeah, so here's to today. I got a lot of gardening done yesterday. I need to do the backyard, and we have friends coming over this weekend, so yeah, love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I'm filming without lights I'll see how this is when I upload it, if it's good. But hello, it is Wednesday and it is almost, it's like 3 o'clock. This is gonna be my outfit for the day because, to be honest with you, we had not really a ton of plans today, but we had our cleaner come today, and normally she comes with like 2 other people so she can get it done really fast, but she spent about 4 hours here today, so we didn't really get out of the house. And I know I could leave her, I don't know, it's just what I do. Okay, anyway, we are going to the gym today though. We are testing out the new gym, and if I'm being completely honest, completely vulnerable for a minute, I have not gone to the gym in 2 months. Yeah, all of June and all of July, ever since we got back from Mexico. I think I've stepped foot in the gym one time. I just have not been in it, whatever the case may be. And this is the longest I've like fallen off, if you will. I wouldn't say fallen off, but nonetheless, I've had a lot of house projects and other things. Like, I've been staying busy, okay? But I haven't been working out, and I want to get back into working out. When we were in Colorado, we worked out with this trainer, and it was just a good reminder to get back into it and to realize, like, it's important to put myself first. Anywho, this is the fit, and I'm excited and feeling a little like nervy because it's like a new gym. But I also, one thing I absolutely love is they have a women's only room, which is incredible because creepy men exist, and I'm excited that they don't have to ruin my gym experience. I've also realized I give in to creepy men a little too early, and I should just be like, you know? But nonetheless, I'm excited. We're starting off fresh, and I want to show you my fit because I don't really show you a ton of my like workout fits. The kids center is open from 8 to noon, and then again from 4 to 8. So that's why we're going at 4, because I couldn't go earlier because of the cleaners. And then I just want to go. Like, I'm just like, okay, just go. So anyway, let me show you my fit. I did also order a new pair of sneakers because everyone knows when you're in a workout funk, new workout sneakers, okay? Anyway, pants, leggings, CRZ, socks, Hue or something like that. My little Nike, I don't know what these are, Varoom or whatever they are. I love them. I went really color coded. I can't tell today. Sports bra, CRZ, and then this little tank is from Florence. I think it says it, Florence by Mills or something like that. Just feel a little more covered up. I'm not gonna lie, I felt like the leanest and trimmest I had ever been, or like post baby, right before we left for Mexico, and then I just kind of fell off. So getting back into it, getting back into the swing things. I really want to do a DEXA scan, but I literally, for the life of me, cannot find someplace in Plano that does it without needing like a physician's note. But I do have a physician's appointment soon, so I'm wondering if my physician could give me one. I'm sure she would. But the other ones that are available are in Dallas, which, okay, whatever, 15 miles. Do I really want to drive 15 miles? Not necessarily, but I would. But they don't have availability for 2 months, till like the end of August, maybe a month. Like till the end of August, so I'm like, that's really long. But anyway, I'm excited to get back into it. And I guess I don't really need something telling me. I'm just kind of curious, you know? But this is the fit for today. Thanks for listening to me ramble. And if you have indeed not fallen off, just taken on an exit and stayed on that exit a little long, let's get back on the highway and keep on going, you know? Maybe this is your sign too. Hello, you guys. Happy Thursday. This is you're gonna get a twofer day today. So this is my daytime outfit. I mean, it's noon. I don't know, this watch is dead. Is it dead? I don't know, I'll have to keep an eye. It's not the right time, I know that. Anyway, it's probably noon. I don't know, what time is it? 11:30. Oh, no, this is right. I don't know why. Okay, it's 11:30. I have Sephora return, a couple of mailbox returns, one for Scott, so I need to tell him to send me the link. And then Target. I need to go pick up booster seats for Arlo. He's officially outgrown his car seat, and I'm just gonna get a booster seat. And then, what else do we have to do? I think that's it. Post office, Target, Sephora. And then we're gonna hit up Jimmy John's for lunch, then go to the splash pad, in the afternoon, so I was getting dressed for the splash pad. So this is the outfit for that. So, let's start at my shirt. This is a Uniqlo JW Anderson. It's got like some blue stripes with yellow. Have hat on because I want to do my hair later tonight because we're going to get dinner at one of my favorite places ever. Neighborhood Services in Addison is like one of my favorite restaurants. I've been going there forever and it's just so good. Anyway, so I'm gonna do my hair later for that because we're meeting some friends there. Polo hat, shirt. This is a little Halara active dress or skirt. I haven't been wearing these nearly as much as I used to, so I said, girl, pull it out today instead of shorts because it's basically shorts but like with a flap, you know? Little Hanes socks, my Asics in yellow. I feel like they match the yellow in the shirt, so this is the fit. And then sunglasses. So I figured we will run some errands, go to the splash pad at the hottest part of the day, and then go. I probably will have to leave here around like 4:15 to get to dinner at 4:30 or 5:30. Probably TBH, but this is the fit. I will show you our dinner time fit as well. So yeah, hopefully we get everything done and can go to the splash pad and can get lunch and do all the things. I love you guys, and I will see you later tonight. Bye. All right, we're back. Thursday night. We are going to Neighborhood Services, like I said, meeting one of Scott's coworkers and his new girlfriend that lives in Dallas. It'll be fun. I'm excited. Neighborhood Services is one of my favorite places to eat in Dallas. It's my go-to. Dallas, it's Addison, whatever. I don't care. Anyway, let me show you what I'm wearing. I changed a billion times. I'm sweating. We're running late. I was painting my nails, that's why. Anyway, little quince linen shift dress. Love this. It's just so easy, carefree, so good. Like I was like trying on jeans and stuff, and I'm like, no girl, put on a dress. Okay. Then I decided to go gold. So gold, oh. Gold earrings and my little, this reminds me of just being like an art teacher. I don't know, I'm vibing with it. I decided to go flats tonight. I don't know, I really love these flats. They're so cute. From Steve Madden. And then my little Zara bag, and that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think this is gonna be the last outfit, cause tomorrow I'm just gonna be like bumming it around the house, getting ready for the weekend of pool party situation that we have going on. So I'm probably just gonna be like doing yard work and go to the grocery store and whatever. So probably not gonna be very exciting, but if you like these videos and wanna see it more regularly, let me know. By giving the video a thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below if you want to continue seeing these sort of realistic, what I actually wear during the week, because I don't always dress up and look cute. Sometimes I wear just athletic clothes, but I still try to make it a little cute. So I love you guys. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very soon.